Brittany Banks of 90 Day Fiancé has a new lover whom she flaunted on Instagram on Father's Day, calling him daddy. The aspiring rapper and influencer was a contentious cast member on 90 Day Fiancé the other way due to her relationship with Jordanian ex Yazan Abu Huraira, and she's still going strong. Brittany dated two guys covertly on 90 Day The Single Life after her breakup with Yazan and then caused a stir by missing the tell-all reunion. On the other hand, Brittany appears to have forsaken the single life in favor of dating a new man whose youthful look has shocked admirers. On 90 Day The Single Life, many fans expected Brittany to marry Terrence, but the reality TV star dumped him. Brittany was slammed for keeping Terrence in rotation and frequently ghosting him due to her juggling him and Justin. Brittany's diva attitude was a significant source of her criticism on 90 Day Fiancé the other way, while she was engaged to Yazan and she was often referred to as a brat by viewers. Not only was the tale of her meeting Yazan through his sister murky, but Brittany also kept her prior marriage a secret from him, leading people to believe she was in it for fame. Terrence explained on the 90 Day Fiancé spin-off she had other issues going on too, so me and her were sort of just talking. However, according to her grandfather's Father's Day announcement, Brittany is currently committed. Brittany reshared a video on her Instagram stories of a mysterious man saying "thank you baby" with a heart emoji for setting up a delicious food display as her other cast members wish their fathers a good day. According to 90 Day Fiancé fanatics too, the 90 Day Fiancé star responded to the news with the message, "You're welcome, Papa." According to his Instagram profile, the guy was identified as billionaire Mooney, an independent artist who operates a travel firm with only one post on its page. Brittany's new guy has over 30.3 thousand followers on Instagram, and he appeared to confirm their relationship by sharing one of her new fashion images in his story. Fans, on the other hand, believe Brittany's daddy is too young for her, remarking on things like he looks 14 and why is he wearing toddler styles after viewing the man's photos. Meanwhile, Yazan, Brittany's 90 Day Fiancé ex, has announced his intention to marry fiancée Lulu in July. Because Lulu is American, Yazan may finally receive the K-1 visa that Brittany promised him. Despite her absence from the tell-all, Brittany is expected to return for Season 2 of 90 Day The Single Life. Brittany just relocated to Atlanta to focus on her OnlyFans and Cameo fame.